Welcome or welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a Mia Farrow inspired pixie haircut using a combination of the razor and precision scissors. We map out our haircut with a classic horseshoe sectioning pattern. Taking vertical sections, I use my unguarded razor and cut a square layer. This tool gives me total control. No guard means precision and freedom. I hold the hair with light tension, angle the blade down and glide through with gentle strokes. This removes weight, adds movement and keeps the texture lived in. Light deliberate pressure is key. Let the blade do the work. We continue to take vertical sections, directing our sections straight out from the head shape, working round, moving our body position to be in front of each section. My cutting angle is square. This will help to create a modern, short, textured haircut. I'm choosing the razor hair instead of scissors because I want softness, not structure. Scissors give clean, defined lines, but the razor adds movement, texture, and that effortless, lived-in feel. It melts away bulk and blends layers seamlessly, perfect for creating modern shapes in a pixie. This is all about flow over form. We continue this process until our first zone is completed. It's important to cross-check and make sure you have balance throughout your shape before moving on to the next section. We now join our crown zone into the back and sides, taking diagonal back sections. This process will create a beautiful, modern, head-hugging shape. We repeat this process, taking diagonal back sections on both sides to complete this zone. You will notice a gradual build-up of weight, connecting into the sides seamlessly whilst maintaining maximum length in the top crown zone. This length in the top crown zone will become our guide for the top zone. We repeat the same process on the opposite side before moving to the next step. I'm taking vertical sections through the crown and using the razor underneath the section. This allows me to connect the lower crown into the top without collapsing the length on top. It's a form of invisible layering, removing internal weight while keeping the silhouette strong and soft. The result is movement and texture without obvious layers. We continue this process until we complete the crown zone. Now I've moved into the top zone. I'm working with radial sections from the crown towards the bridge of the nose, using the length from the crown as my guide. With the razor positioned underneath, I cut a square layer to maintain weight and length through the top. I continue this technique, taking radial sections until I reach the front hairline. Continuing through the top zone, I take radial sections, directing straight out from the head shape. Using my fingers as a flat guide, I position the razor underneath the section and glide gently through the mid-lengths to ends. I'm working with soft, shallow strokes, just skimming the surface to delicately remove weight and encourage movement. Each section is directed forward towards the face, maintaining a square shape through the top. I repeat this process section by section until the entire top zone is complete. If you're enjoying this tutorial and want more razor cutting techniques, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a new video. I'm now using my scissors to point cut and remove the corners to join the top into the side zones. Also to add more texture and to check the balance of my shape before moving on to the next stage. To complete the shape, I take a horizontal section using my unguarded razor to gently take light strokes, removing weight to cut a super cute, short textured fringe. I continue this process until we run out of hair. I'm now using my feather razor with a guard, using it horizontally to place more texture and movement across the line of my fringe and bang zone. This is a super quick and effective way to create a beautiful textured outline to any fringe or haircut. I'm now using my scissors, elevating the back of the fringe zone straight up, adding more texture and movement, and cross-checking my balance throughout the shape, making sure that my shape has even balance and texture before completing the haircut. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my modern take of Mia Farrow's Pixie haircut. And if you liked this tutorial, you should watch this one next. Thanks again for watching.